description settings page. Item description settings allows you to define your payment description settings, shipping description, return policy description, and about us description. Combined, we can refer to these as your store policies. Now let's reference back to our previous promotion settings where we selected the merchant run listing templates that we'd like to use. You can see that in each merchant run listing template, we embed your store policies directly inside. And obviously, depending on which template you choose, these store policies will display in different sections of the HTML page. So again, our system is very flexible. We offer you the opportunity of defining your store policies in each separate eBay site, because we understand that payment methods can be different from site to site. Shipping duration, shipping prices may differ from site to site, and most of all, language might differ from site to site. Once you finish entering your store policies, you can click Save. And once you click Save, these item description settings will successfully save the database and apply to all your listing details created. Finally, let's define our payment profiles. Again, GlobalLink allows you to define payment profiles for each eBay site because payment methods may vary from site to site. To create a new payment profile, click on the Add Payment Profile button. You can then give your payment profile a name. Let's just say that I wanted to accept only a personal check for some particular products. Personal check only. Then I could go select the personal check payment method and move it into selected payment methods and click Save. I have just created a personal check payment profile, which I can apply to all my existing listing details. Or if I wanted this payment profile to apply by default to all my listing details created in the United States, I can click on the icon under the action column and set this payment profile as default. Okay, that's all to it. Once you set up all your default settings, again, just as a reminder, they will apply to all new listing details created. For example, listing details that are created by the Add New Product wizard or using the Copy As function in the listing details page. Your next question might be, if I set up my default settings, can I apply them to existing listing details that I've already created? So you can, and it's simple. Simply go to the Manage Products page, select the products that you want to apply your new default settings to, click the View Listing Details button to display all the listing details for the associated products, and then select the listing details that you want to apply the default settings to. Go to the Action drop menu. In Common Actions, you will see Update from Settings. Click on this action button. And then you will be given the opportunity to choose which default settings you want to apply to these listing details. So let's just say I want to apply auction duration, domestic shipping service 1, and my new payment profile. Once I click OK, then GlobalLink will intelligently apply default settings defined for each country to listing details defined in each respective country. So for example, United States default settings will apply to United States listing details. France default settings will apply to France listing details, and Belgium Dutch default settings will apply to Belgium Dutch listing details. And that's all to it. Once you finish defining your listing details, your GlobalLink experience will be ever more enjoyable, as you won't have to spend tons of time re-entering data